welcome back to my channel. Today, me and Ibrahim are going to be making jelly custard pudding. So first, we're going to make the jello.
So first, we're gonna add 2 cups of water into a pan. Then we're gonna let it boil.
Now I open the gelatin packet.
While we're boiling, we're gonna add the gelatin mixture and mix well. Now set it aside and let it cool down a little bit.
So now we're going to put the strawberry jelly until it reaches halfway. Now, let it set in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. While waiting for our jello to set, we're going to make the custard. So we're going to need 3 cups of milk. Now let's bring to boil. Yeah, it's boiling up. Stir it. Now let's put 1/2 cup of sugar. Now put it. Okay, 1/2 cup of sugar coming up. While waiting to boil, we're going to prepare the custard. Now we're going to prepare the custard. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of custard powder.
Oh my god, that looks cool.
Now we're going to mix.
Oh god, that's so cool.
That looks like mango.
Oh yeah? There's some more.
Now we're going to add the custard. Man, that looks delicious. So now that the jelly has set, we are going to put the custard. Now we have to make that dry. So now that the custard has settled, we're gonna add the toppings. Let's add the toppings.
We're gonna put it in our hands.
Oh no. I'm gonna add more first. We put one more here. Here. Ta-dang. It's a nice design. Ooh, I can't wait to eat this. Let's try it.
Yeah, let's try it.
1, 2, 3, go. It's good. I got the bitter part. Bye everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Before you leave, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!